Everything starts with raw materials from the world around us. Natural oils are a key foundation for many soaps.
The journey begins. Our fleet ensures that the freshly made soap travels swiftly from the factory floor to the heart of the city.
Morning. Paperwork for the soap delivery?
Right here.
Proceed to Bay 4. Have a safe trip.
This is the Western facility, where we produce over 1 million bars of soap every day using advanced clean energy processes.
Now let's go inside and see how soap is made, step by step.
It's incredible how quickly the process moves from the initial pour to the final product. These machines can produce thousands of bars an hour.
The overhead crane precisely delivers the sealed ingredients to the mixing vat, ensuring a calm and efficient manufacturing process. In large vessels, oils are blended and processed into soap. Operators monitor temperature, timing, and mixing speed.
Equipment is cleaned and checked before production.
Metering systems add materials with high precision. Fragrance can be added during finishing, depending on the product. Samples are pulled to confirm the batch is on target.
Samples are checked before large-scale production starts.
These noodles are the starting point for many bar soaps.
Next, the soap base is refined for texture and moisture. Purified water helps keep batches consistent.
Cooling helps the bar hold its shape and texture.
Documentation follows every step.
And that's how soap is made, from start to finish.
Automated cameras check size, shape, and surface quality.
That final finish you feel starts here, long before it reaches a store.
Stamping gives each bar its final shape and finish.
Cartons protect the product and keep it shelf-ready.
Random samples are checked.
We're seeing a slight fluctuation here on the humidity sensors, likely due to the increased speed on the conveyor.
Understood. I'll adjust the climate control settings immediately.
Welcome to the heart of our operation. This massive facility produces thousands of soap bars every hour, utilizing advanced robotics.
Finally, cases are stabilized for shipping. Now the finished soap is ready for distribution.
Shipment is secured and logged before it leaves.
If you found this video informative, please press the like button now. For more factory-related videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which factory you want to see next.